Vricham TV. This is Sugandhan presenting the news for the day.
Syllabuses have been started for class 10 and 12 through online, and classes are going on well with parent support and cooperation for the past 75 days, said correspondent Vricham International Public School CBSE. 70% syllabus has been completed for class 10 and 12 through well-experienced teachers. Revision examinations for class 10 and 12 starts from tomorrow onwards, said Principal Vricham International Public School CBSE. Online classes were conducted for class 1 to 9 from March 24, 2020 up to April 22, 2020, and summer holidays were announced. After summer vacation, online classes again started for class 1 to 9 from June 1st, 2020, announced by correspondent Vricham International Public School CBSE.
India became the sixth worst hit nation by the COVID-19 pandemic, surpasses Italy. To report directly to the Collector of Tiruvannamalai about COVID-19, contact 96261 04647. After 3 judges of Madras High Court tested positive for COVID-19, the court has decided to hear selected cases through video conferencing. Tamil Nadu government capped the charges for COVID-19 treatment in private hospitals across the state following the complaints that they were charging exorbitant amount. 2 CISF Jawans at Madurai airport tested positive for COVID-19. Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palanichami on Saturday congratulated 13-year-old M. Netra, daughter of St. Mohan, a hairdresser in Madurai, who contributed rupees 5 lakh to help the needy buy groceries and vegetables during the lockdown. The girl inspired her father to help the new needy with the money he had saved for her future. COVID-19 not exploded in India, but the risk remains same, says the WHO experts. India saw a record single-day jump of 9,887 people of COVID-19 and 294 deaths on the Saturday. Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia pitched for a 30% reduction in syllabus for all grades and advocated reopening of schools with reasonable precautions. High-ranking Olympic official said that the delayed Tokyo Championship will be held in 2021 or not at all. Wasim Khan on Saturday announced that over the next 3 months, he will personally donate a total of 1.5 million Pakistani rupees to support former players, match officials, scorers and ground staff who are struggling through financial hardship amid the COVID-19 crisis. Manuel Rocky, India's women's football coach, on Saturday expressed her happiness after India was announced at the host of AFC Women's Asian Cup 2022 finals, stating that the tournament will provide a further boost to the sport in the country. Due to the formation of the inferior zone, there is a chance of showers and few places of thunderstorms. June 7 events. On this day in 1893, Mahatma Gandhi performed his first civil disobedience act. In 1979, Bhaskara 1, an Indian Earth Resource Meteorology satellite, was launched. Today is celebrated as World Food Safety Day. The country registering a record single-day spike of 12,842 cases, which pushed the nationwide tally to 2,46,622 with a death toll of over 6,900. Coronavirus proximity to Chennai, a key factor for rising cases in nearby districts. Temples in Kerala set to open doors for devotees on June 9. Tamil Nadu fixes tariff for private hospital treating COVID-19 patients. Facebook's Mark Zuckerberg promises a review of content policies after backlash. Finance Minister writes to RBI for relaxing farm loans NPA norms. With this, me, Suganthan, signing off with the note of keep watching Viricham TV for live updates. Stay tuned, stay happy. Thank you.